Hello everyone and welcome to this new video, and today we are in Koh Kut in Thailand on Taphao beach, and take a look at where we are. It looks really beautiful and it's so hot, so we are gonna snorkel now, so let's go. The first fish. Also there's quite a lot of plastic and garbage, but it looks still beautiful and the water is very nice. It is very windy and very wavy today. Unfortunately, we didn't see a lot of fishes, and it is also very windy here and also a strong current, so it was a little bit difficult to swim. As you can see, there are even more waves around the corner, and Fleur is on the swing right now. Watch this. Hey, is it nice? Oh, you can go really fast. Oh wow, wow, it's a big swing, I didn't know that. Whee! Okay, the huge swing, let's go. Whee! This is actually really nice. I want to go backwards. Ah! You can even lie down here, wow. It's really beautiful though. But a lot of wind and strong currents, as I told. So, he's fast. We are back at the same place as yesterday. And I've got the Oreo shake again, Fleur pink milk. And we have a beautiful view. I've got a retna with chicken. And it got the white noodles again. Looks really good. It tastes good too. Is it good? I think it's a yes. And Fleur got the shrimp. Enjoy. We are on our way to the new beach, Klinging, or what was the name? Klinklau beach, something like that. We will show it. But it's a really beautiful beach, and we want to snorkel for the last day here. Klingong beach, something like that. And they don't drive really smooth. Klonghing beach. Yeah, that one. They drive weird. We arrived somewhere, and these roads are really difficult to drive on. It's a lot of sand and rocks, but it's just like 100-meter walking. We arrived on a new beach, and we are gonna snorkel for the last time. It is really beautiful and very big here. A lot of sand. We are gonna snorkel around here, I think. There are still a lot of waves here and a strong current, I think. Beach was really great and we saw a lot of beautiful fishes and also the pufferfish. They are cute, right?
Stingrays, baby stingrays in the sand.
It was really nice. Alright, let's go to the restaurant.
Riding on a bumpy ride from the Klong Hing beach.
Yeah man!
No, no, no. It's a really bumpy ride. Okay, this is a better road. Woo, watch out, I don't have my hands on you. But watch the nature of her, all the palm trees.
Look at the sunset on the
with
left.
the sunset. It's really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh.
And when you're here, take this road instead of that one.
Yeah.
This is much easier.
But we don't know and we took the difficult
Amateur
road.
mistake.
Mm-hmm. But look at this road, it's so beautiful.
It's also cool right now.
Yes.
It's not hot anymore. I'm an island boy.
Sven, shut up.
This was the last day here. Tomorrow we go back to Bangkok. I don't want to go back to the Netherlands though. Oh. It's not really
road.
easy.
Ooh, watch out.
It's easy. I drive a scooter at home though. So I'm experienced. But this is a motorcycle, 125cc. Do you have a license? Of course not. Okay. This is already the end. This is the end. Oh, bump.
Whoa, boom. We're on the main road.
Okay, gas!
No, 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 no. Are you gonna miss this island?
Yeah, man! We are in this Thai restaurant, very local and cheap. And I've got a pineapple smoothie and Fleur got the Coke snap. And it's really nice here. Fleur got two big fishes. Ooh. I'm not sure what kind it is. Do you know what kind of fish it is?
I think a white fish.
Looks good. Looks good. Good. It's really good. And we even got a shot of alcohol. It's really strong.
No.
But I have to drive on my motorbike.
Tastes like Bacardi or